Hi guys, in this video we're gonna make a number guessing game. So to make a number guessing game, we will import a library called random. Now we will store a random digit in a variable. So for that we can define a is equal to random dot and int and then brackets and the range, for example 0 to 10. Now, if we print A, we should get a random number between 0 to 10. So we got 10. Now let's run it once more. We got 6. So it is working. Now we will use the if function. So if, and then, no, first of all, we will get an input from the user. So p is equal to int input guess the number. So at this point, the user will guess the number. Now we will use if, and if a or b is equal to a, then we say that you won, and else you lost. Then you lost. So now let's run this. Let's guess 4. Okay, I lost. So one more thing, at the end we can print in else, we can print that the number was p. So the number was b. Sorry, a. Now let's run this. Now 7. Okay, the number was 9. So yes, this game is working. This is how we make a number guessing game. Thank you for watching. Take care.